Easter 2026 is coming faster than most sellers realize. This year, Easter Sunday falls on April 5, which means the entire spring shopping season is compressed. And when the calendar gets tighter, shopper behavior changes. Last-minute buyers show up earlier, decisions happen faster, and impulse purchases start driving a bigger share of sales. But here's the opportunity. Procrastinators aren't bad customers. They're actually highly motivated buyers. They just need the decision to be quick and easy. So in this video, we'll break down 5 smart strategies to capture last-minute Easter shoppers and the print-on-demand products most likely to convert before the deadline hits. One of the fastest ways to increase late-season revenue is by leaning into impulse purchases. Retail data shows that a huge portion of Easter sales comes from small items shoppers grab quickly, not carefully planned gifts. For print-on-demand sellers, this is where low-cost products like custom Easter stickers shine. They're fun, inexpensive, and easy to personalize, which means when customers see them suggested at checkout, they often add them without thinking twice. The key is placement. Show them as cart add-ons, highlight them with labels like bestseller, and keep the price low enough to feel like an easy extra. Another big shift this year is what analysts call intentional indulgence. Instead of buying more candy, shoppers are choosing products that feel like a small self-care reward for themselves or their families. That's a perfect fit for print-on-demand apparel. For example, a unisex fleece pullover sweatshirt in modern pastel colors like vanilla yellow or transformative teal feels seasonal but still wearable after Easter. Bundle it with a custom tote bag, and suddenly you've created a self-care Easter gift set that never expires and never needs post-holiday discounts. Now let's talk about the moment when urgency spikes, the Easter panic window. Between Good Friday and Easter Sunday, shoppers aren't browsing anymore. They're trying to finish their shopping fast. This is where scarcity tactics work incredibly well. Things like inventory alerts, countdown timers, and shipping cutoffs help push buyers to make quick decisions. And for personalized products, the urgency is real. A kid's classic tee or baby onesie with a child's name needs production time. So your real deadline isn't shipping, it's the personalization cutoff date. That's why a clear message like "Order by March 28th for Easter delivery" can dramatically increase conversions. Here's a simple change that can dramatically boost conversions. Last-minute shoppers don't search by product category, they search by problem. Instead of typing "kids hoodie," they're thinking, "What should I get my kid for Easter?" So instead of organizing your store around products, organize it around Easter moments. For example, everything for the egg hunt, the Easter Sunday outfit, first Easter keepsakes, or emergency basket fillers. This reduces decision fatigue and often increases average order value because customers solve multiple needs in one purchase. Finally, one of the biggest conversion drivers during the final week, fulfillment clarity. For true last-minute buyers, shipping isn't just a feature, it's the entire reason they choose one store over another. That's why options like same-day pickup, express Easter delivery, or guaranteed by Easter should be front and center on your product pages. For print-on-demand sellers, transparency is key. Production usually takes 5 to 10 business days, so the safest order window for Easter delivery falls between March 23rd and March 25th. Communicating that deadline clearly can be the difference between hesitation and a completed purchase. Easter 2026's shorter shopping window isn't a problem, it's a filter. The sellers who win are the ones who build urgency, simplify decisions, and highlight fulfillment clearly. Focus on impulse add-ons, create self-care bundles, communicate personalization deadlines, and organize your store around real Easter moments. Then launch your last call campaign by March 22nd so shoppers still have time to order before customization cutoffs. Because the last-minute shopper isn't disengaged, they're ready to buy. They just need the decision to be easy. Easter 2026 is coming fast, and the sellers who prepare early will capture the biggest share of last-minute demand. Focus on impulse products, build simple bundles, and make your fulfillment deadlines crystal clear. Because when the Easter rush hits, the stores that are ready are the ones that win. The window is short, but the opportunity is real. Start preparing your Easter campaigns now and position your store before the last-minute shoppers arrive.